Hello, my dear students. In this video, I am going to tell you about the questions based on the expansion. I have taken the reference of the book Understanding ICSE Mathematics by M.L. Agrawal. I told in my first video that about the formulae, some formulae of the expansion which is used in the expansion, how to expand the formula. And I explained clearly that there is no direct formula, that is only the applications of the formula. For example, if you see this question, 17th question in your 3.1 exercise, then this is the question you have to simplify. But if you go through the formula, then this is one of the formula, this is the similar as one of our formula, and this formula is a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b in one bracket and in another bracket a square minus ab plus b square. But how to recognize that which formula you will use? That is especially basically based on only practice. You cannot do directly, means from only the once you see the question and you can recognize that this formula will be applicable. This is not there. But when you do these questions, this type of questions daily in the practice, then you must you will get the knowledge about the formula. Formulae you cannot learn. In the previous video I told already, formulae you cannot learn, but you must grasp the formulae when you write the formulae exactly when you do the questions and write the formulae with the question. Then you can get the formula. Okay. So here 2p plus 3q, 4p square, you have to simplify. Just I have checked that this is, if you let a is equal to 2p, because this is in one bracket, you cannot simplify this one more. This bracket is the simplest form. So if you let a is equal to 2p, b is equal to 3q, then it is 2p whole square. If you see, this is the 2p whole square, this is the 3q whole square. It means it should be a into b, matlab 2p into 3q. So I have written here 2p plus 3q, 2p whole square, this will change. This 6pq you can change 2p into 3q, means a into b, and plus 3q whole square. Now using this formula, you can write directly the right, it is right hand side, this one is the right hand side. Now the left hand side is a cube plus b cube, means 2p whole cube plus 3q whole cube, you will get answer. Very simple. This is very simple, you can get. Now the next question, there is a question number 22, a square plus 4a plus x is equal to a plus 2 whole square, and it is written the find x. You have to find x. This is the question. You have to find x. How to find? If you see, this is an equation. If you expand this one, you will get some terms related in the right hand side, left hand side. तो इसको अगर हम expand कर दें, तो what you will get? Plus x is equal to, and which formula you will apply to expand this? A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay, just you write the formula, what formula you are going to apply. So it will be a square plus 4 because 2 is square, and plus 2ab means 2 into a means 4a. Okay. Now you can see in the left hand side a square, in the right hand side a square with the same sign. दोनों तरफ same sign से कर सकते हैं. 4a 4a. So what you will get? X is equal to 4. This is the answer. Clear? So this very simple way you can get the answer. The next question I'm telling you, that is, for example, if the digits are given and you have to use the formula like the 24, 25. So this is 25 question. In this 23b is there, 23, 24, 25. 103 is there. Whole square, whole cube. It is whole cube. You have to write the means convert in the other way that you can get the cube. मतलब बहुत easily आ भी है. So how to find this one? If you see this 103 cube, so you can write as 100 plus 3 whole cube. Clear? Can you write this one? Now this is the formula of a plus b whole cube. So it will be a cube plus b cube plus 3ab and a plus b. Clear? Now in place of a put the 100 whole cube. In place of b 3 whole cube. 3 into 100 into b means 300 and plus 3. Clear? Means put the values of a means 100, b means 3 in this formula. What you will get? This is very simple. 60. Clear? 100 into 100 into 100. 27. 900 into 103. And then simplify. 60 and 27. Can you add this? Yes, you can add here. So it will be 27 in place of the 20 plus, and this one 20, 27 and 9, 9270. Then add this one. So you will get 277290 and 1. This is the answer. So it is very simple. Without multiplication 3 times 103, you can use the formula and then you can get the value. Now the next one, based on the formula a plus b plus c whole square or a cube plus b cube, something is there. For example, 27th question is there. If a plus b plus 2c is equal to 0, prove that. You have to show that a cube plus b cube plus 8c cube is equal to 6abc. Clear? This is the formula. Means this is you have to show. And from this equation and from this proof that what you can observe, there is a cube of a, cube of b and cube of 2c, but there is 6abc. If you take whole cube both the sides of the equation 1, of the equation 1 take the both sides of the cube of the cube of both sides. But if you are taking the cube both sides by a plus b plus 2c का whole cube, you will not get the answer or it will be very complicated. क्योंकि 2c का भी 8c cube हो रहा है. If you take this 2c in the right hand side and then take the cube, जब इस तरह के क्वेश्चंस आए तो स्पेशली एक टर्म को तुम्हें right hand side में लेना है. You take one term in the right hand side. Then taking the cube both the sides. Taking cube. Okay. So it will be a cube लेते समय always taking square, taking cube, you use the bracket. Whole होता है. ऐसा नहीं कि a cube और b cube अलग अलग हो गए. तो in that case you will take the whole cube means bracket minus 2c whole cube. So what you will get? Use the formula here. So it will be a cube, b cube, 3ab in bracket a plus b is equal to minus 2c whole cube means minus 2c into minus 2c into minus 2c. So it will be minus sign there and 8c cube. अब देखिए In the proof that in the left hand side a cube, b cube, b cube plus 8c cube. If you take this in this side, in the left side, you will get the plus 8c cube. Only you have to find 6abc. How to get? In this equation number 2, can you put the value, and in this equation number 3, can you put the value of a plus b is equal to minus 2c here? क्यों? क्योंकि अगर हम ये पुट कर देंगे तो you will get the 6abc. तो in this case you have to think, you have to see the questions, you use your brain, apply your thinking power, then you will get. So just putting the a plus b from equation 2 in equation 3 in equation 3. Just you have to write. तो minus 2c put कर रहे हैं तो you will get a cube plus b cube. This minus 8 अभी हम ले रहे हैं 3ab minus 2c is equal to minus 8c cube. So what you will get? A cube plus b cube. This minus 8c cube, 8c cube. This is minus 6abc is equal to 0. Is this correct? अगर minus 6abc उधर ले जाए तो same you will get. So this is the proof. Okay. By this way you can get the answer. Now one more question based on the same type, question number 29. Or before that, I want to tell you the 28. Question number 28. If a plus b plus c is equal to 0, find the value of a cube square upon bc, b square upon ac, c square upon ab. You have to find the value of this. Before that, you must see the formula which is given in the first page of the expression chapter. There is a second last formula in which it is written, if a plus b plus c is equal to 0, if a plus b plus c is equal to 0, then a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc. It is given in the formula. You can see in the first page of the chapter. It means you have to apply the same concept here. But you will say, अगर हमने a plus b plus c is equal to 0, okay, it is given. But where we have to say that the a cube plus b cube, यहाँ तो दिखाई नहीं दे रहा, a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc, कहाँ से put कर देंगे? Okay. But if you write, this is the find the value of this. Find the value of this. If you write here a square upon bc plus b square upon ac plus c square upon ab, can you take the LCM of these? Yes. And what is the LCM? LCM is a, b, c. What is the means a is not here multiplied by a both in numerator and denominator. A cube you will get abc. Okay. Here multiply by b, b cube you will get abc. In multiply by c both the numerator and denominator, c cube. Okay. Now you get the a cube, b cube, c cube. Using this formula, you can write here 3abc upon abc. इसकी place में you can write 3abc. Though this abc cancelled and the answer is 3. It's very simple. But how to use the formula? This is the application of the formula that you should know. Now the last one, a question है इसमें. The same type of question number 23 is also there, in which you can see 27 whole cube plus minus 17 whole cube plus minus 10 whole cube. जैसे ये 30 क्वेश्चन में 27 whole cube plus minus 17 whole cube plus minus 10 whole cube. And I told you just now, if a plus b plus c is equal to 0, then a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc. If you let a is equal to 27, b is equal to minus 17 and c is equal to minus 10, then what you will have? A plus b plus c. क्या मिलेगा? 27 minus 17 minus 10. What you will get? 0. Means this part is 0. If this part is 0, means this you can write as 3abc. And this 3abc will be 3 into 27 into minus 17 into minus 10. Means only you multiply these numbers, you will get answer. Simple. So using the formula, if a plus b plus c is equal to 0, then a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc. So by this way, and the last one, 31, also the same type of identity, that is a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b. जैसे ये है, इसको हम बता दे रहे हैं how to solve this one. The last one, 86 plus 14 multiply divided by 86 into 86 minus 86 into 14 plus 14 into 14. You can guess. अभी मैंने बताया अगर first one example I told you, and you can guess which formula you can apply, which identity. If you let 86 is equal to A and 14 is equal to B, then what you will get? A into A means A cube, B cube, A into A, that is A square, A into B minus AB and plus B square. Can you guess which formula is there? Yes. क्योंकि अभी बताया a क्यूब प्लस b क्यूब इज इक्वल टू a प्लस b इन ब्रैकेट a स्क्वायर माइनस ab प्लस b स्क्वायर. Same means in place of this you can get a plus b in bracket a square minus ab plus b square, and then a square minus ab plus b square. The bracket, whole bracket will be cancelled. What you will get? Only a plus b. And what is a? 86. What is b? 14. Put here. You will get 100. This is the answer. Means जो multiplication करके इतना बड़ा आंसर आ रहा था complicated, that you will get easily the 100 if you know the identity. So all of you, my dear students, you have to do the questions, the remaining questions, all questions in serial in your copy. Then you can understand well. Otherwise, you can ask anytime in the comment section or in my number, WhatsApp number for my school students, my college, and the other students also can ask in the comment section. If you subscribe the channel Study Bright, then you will get the latest notification and latest study material. Thank you.